Alright guys, welcome back, and in this video we're actually going to be adding this goal ball to the game. And basically the goal of this game is quite simple. What we want to do is we want to destroy my face with a meatball. Now my face is going to get destroyed in one of two ways. The first one is if it hits the ground like this, then it gets destroyed, and also if we just hit it directly with a meatball, then it also gets destroyed. So scroll in and make sure that it sets right on this tower, and might want to add, like, I don't know, we'll just add this right here. Maybe we'll add some extra support right there. Alright, so looking pretty good. Now the first thing, of course, that we need to do is add physics behavior to this so it rolls around like a ball. So scroll down to allow physics, and good. So now this is actually being treated like a ball instead of just like a background image or something. And again, make sure that it's placed on the tower, and let's just run this game to see what happens right now. Alright, so okay, so the reason that it did that is because of that little space that we added. Well, that's fine. It actually adds a cool little element. And now we can fire it, and nothing happens. So again, even though our logic is working properly and then everything's being treated like it should, what we want to do is say, okay, whenever we hit that, we basically won the game because this is hitting the ground, which should be destroyed, and also we hit it with a meatball. So now we just need to add some logic, and this is how we do that. So the first thing I want to say is whenever it hits the ground, pretty much destroy this ball right here, my face. What did we call it? The target ball. Pretty good name. Alright, so add a new event and the target ball, and the event for this is actually just on collision with another object, and that object is the ground. So basically we're saying when it collides with the ground, well, what do we want to happen? Well, it's easy. The only thing we want to do is actually just take this and destroy. So whenever it hits the ground, destroy it. And another thing that we want to do is we want to check if we hit it with a meatball. So target ball on collision with another object, the meatball, and destroy this as well. And that's pretty much it. If you guys thought it would be more confusing than that, well, then you're wrong. Because what we're saying is, okay, now when it touches the ground or you hit it directly with a meatball head on, then destroy the target ball. So now let's go ahead and try to make both of those scenarios happen. First, let me try to hit it with a meatball. See, I hit it right there. And now, let me try, I don't know if I can get the ground. Crap. Okay, that's gonna be hard. Alright, that's gonna be hard to get. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to change my game around a little. I'll just delete this one. I'll move this. I actually don't want to hit it with a meatball before it gets a chance to hit the ground. Alright, there we go. So we can either hit it with a meatball or just have it hit the ground. And alright, so I need to move this one out a little bit so the game doesn't just win by default before you even start. And well, that's it. So that is how you add the logic of actually having a target with physics effects and a couple different ways that you can win. And eventually you might want to keep score by adding some text elements to the top. But one other thing that I want to add in this tutorial is how to make it look like your target is actually blowing up. I'm going to show you guys how to work with particles in the next tutorial because we haven't covered it yet in any other game series. So thank you guys, and I'll see you then.